Beetles are fascinating insects that belong to the order Coleoptera, the largest order in the animal kingdom. With over 400,000 known species worldwide, they make up about 40% of all insects and nearly 25% of all animal species on Earth. Characteristics of beetles. Hard exoskeleton. Beetles are protected by tough outer wings called elytra, which cover and shield their delicate flying wings underneath. Body structure. They have three main body parts: head, thorax, abdomen, 6 legs, and a pair of antennae that help them sense their environment. Diverse sizes and colors. Beetles range from less than 1 mm to over 15 cm. They can be dull-colored for camouflage or brightly patterned to warn predators. Habitat and distribution. Found almost everywhere, from forests, deserts, freshwater habitats, to even inside homes. Some species live underground, in decaying wood,